Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
Me too, ma'am. I'm going to ask you some basic questions. This is the part 1 of IELTS speaking exam. The first question is, who do you spend most time studying, working with, and why?
I would like to spend most of the time with my books because I love to reading, especially in history and mathematics. I like to spend most of the time because I can learn very much.
What kinds of things do you study or work with other people and why?
Like I told you before, I love mathematics and history, so I would like to study with my friends mathematics and history because how much I try to learn them, how much I try to teach them that I can learn very fast and I can remember it for a long time.
Are there times when you study or work better by yourself? Why and why not?
Yes, I would like to study alone when I prepare for exams, when I try to keep for my mock test, when I try to set any kind of target. That's time I would like to study alone.
Is it important to like the people you study or work with? Why and why not?
It is very important to me regarding to study. The people study with me should be behavior in polite and should be kind and as well as good environment because I would like to study quiet and I am not friendly with socialized.
This is the end of part 1. Now I am going to ask you a cue card, and this is the part 2 of speaking. The cue card is, describe a tourist attraction you enjoyed visiting. You should say what this tourist attraction is, when and why you visited, what you did there, and explain why you enjoyed visiting this tourist attraction. Here is your cue card. You have 1 minute time to make your points. Let me know when you are ready to speak. Ma'am, are you ready with your answer?
Yes.
Ma'am, please start your answer.
I am fond of traveling. In this cue card, I would like to experience my happiest moment in my life. Last year, I went for Jaipur city with some of my friends because some of my friends basically belong to Rajasthan. They were talking about culture and as well as their cuisine. So I am curious to know about their particular culture and occasion. So I went there. And in this cue card, I would like to talk about Jaipur city because when I went there, I saw there are all houses painted with pink, and I also visited there some type of forts, Jaipur as well as Rajgarh. That's why I like it very much. I am fond of Rajasthani cuisine because Rajasthani cuisines were worldwide famous like dal bati churma, and I was very enjoyed their dance, especially their culture and as well as art, some kind of kachigodi as well as kalbeli, etc. When I heard about my friends, I just tried to search on internet. But when I went there, I feel like I can go again and again because I did not forget that moments and especially their memorable picturized because they always attract me towards their sides. This is what my cue card.
Okay, ma'am. This is the end of part 2. Now I am going to ask you some follow-up questions. The first question is, what are the most popular tourist attractions in your country?
In my country, there are various kind of tourist attractions. Some are depend on your weather conditions like beaches, and some are depend on religion. It's depend on people what they want and whatever their demand. So they can go anywhere like religious cults and as well as beaches, and they want to go for hilly and sunny areas.
Ma'am, how often do you go to tourist attraction places in your country?
Often I like to usually visit there because there are various kind of places. Some are very coastal areas, some are very desert area. So I would like to recommend it that everyone should go visit there oftenly because you every time get new experience as well as new adventures.
Is there any tourist attraction place in your hometown?
Yes, there is a great and famous historical place in my hometown. It's called Pratapgarh. It is very famous because it represents the old culture of my states and try to show its modernizing.
Ma'am, how do the types of tourist attraction that younger people like to visit compare with those that older people like to visit?
In my opinion, nowadays younger people like to especially climb and rock climbs and as well as hilly areas because they will get more adventure. They like to doing wonderful thing. So that's why youngers like to accept the problems as well as try to get over the difficulties. But older people are really faith in God. They are believe in religious. So that's why they like to visit temples like as Kedarnath as well as Amarnath. They can go for southern temple as well as Balaji.
Do you agree that some tourist attractions such as national museums and galleries should be free to visit?
From my point of view, I think it should be free for students who can't afford their own unemployment, but will depend upon parents as well as that crowded people, because regarding to maintain the discipline for people, for local people, for tourist people, there should be definitely a limit of price, because a student can learn lot of things because he can't pay, but if people who pay for tax definitely can pay for and can maintain the museum for regarding his tax.
Ma'am, why is tourism important to a country?
According to my point of view, tourism is very important for every country, because tourism shows their culture, their importance as well as their background. Because tourism is just not because of make a outstanding beauty of nature, it's because of modernize their country, try to show developing stress of their country. That's why I think tourism is very important for every country.
What are the benefits to individuals of visiting another country as tourists?
There is a great benefit, because when I try to think about if anyone can go another country, then they can learn their culture, their art, they can understand their knowledge, because if we stay one country, then our knowledge is just limited, but when we go somewhere other is abroad and other country, I think there should be not criteria for limits and everyone should try to increase their limit.
How necessary is it for tourists to learn the language of the country they are visiting?
It's a new language can bring a new circumstances to say for a plus point, because according to my opinion,